Computer hardware components part 3. Hello everybody, this is the part 3 video. Let's start. Optical mark recognition, OMR. OMR is widely used for evaluating multiple choice questions. The device has a high intensity light beam inside that is directed in the form of a beam at the sheets of paper being fed through it. The beam scans the numbers and locations of the pencil mark on the sheet of paper. The data is then converted into signals for the computer. So OMR is widely used for competitive exams so that the computer can quickly find out and evaluate the question answers and list the candidates who have passed the exam. Magnetic ink character recognition, or MICR. MICR is primarily used for verifying checks. It is a magnetic link. The ink, which is magnetic, is checked by the MICR device for errors, and if the numbers are correct in order, the chances of errors are greatly reduced. Transactions are faster, automatic, and secure. The recognition can identify and interpret numbers and few special symbols printed with magnetic ink on a check. The input is then processed and then stored. Smart cards. A smart card is used to buy products or to avail any special services. It is a multi-purpose card input device. These cards have a microchip that keeps records of each and every time the card is used. The transactions of such cards are used for in credit cards and debit cards. So the credit card and debit cards are the smart cards. Every time you draw a money or use the card for buying certain things, the card gets updated and shows up in your bank account transaction. Touchscreen and touchpad. The user enters the choice provided by the screen by touching the screen. The software determines the kind of choice the user enters. Many kiosks like ATMs, theaters, airports have touchscreen on them for self-use. Touchpad and gamepads are also examples of similar input devices for playing games and interacting with the device. Touchpad is usually found on laptops where it is used in place of mouse. Scanner. A scanner is an electronic device that scans images, printed or handwritten text documents or a particular object to convert them into a digital file format. The digital file format may be PDF and Word documents. The common types of scanners are flatbed scanner, handle scanner, and the sheet fed scanner. The image you are seeing on the screen is of sheet fed scanner. Sheet fed scanners are generally found in all-in-one printers where you can print, copy, and fax all the data. Joystick. Joysticks were initially used to control aircrafts. It is a movable stick with buttons attached to the base that helps control and record the movement in a software. The joystick is nowadays used to play games, and a trackball is an advanced kind of a joystick. Digitizing tablet. This is mainly used by artists and architects, which is used to draw the interpretation of a real life object to a screen. It is also known as graphic tablet. These are generally used by animators who animate animations and cartoons on the screen. It is all it it has an input device that enables us to draw and directly sketch on a computer. It consists of electronic tablet and a cursor or a pen called a stylus. Electronic whiteboards are used in several classrooms. Also, known as the digitizing tablet. Webcam or web camera. It is a capture full motion video images. The images are digitized. Web camera or webcam is connected to the computer on the USB port. Webcams allows you to record your videos and store and take pictures of your images. It is placed on the computer above the top of the screen to capture images so you can face your face to face with your camera. Laptops comes with built-in images to store and information with the help of webcam. This is the end of part 3. Part 4 video will be released very soon. Thank you and subscribe our channel.